Guys, okay, it is so hot. I'm not gonna lie, it is hot, so I have the fan on, so you guys will just have to excuse me. But anywho, hello, dumelang, goeiedag, welkom terug naar mijn kanaal. Welcome back to my channel. I can't say it in Tswana, but I try. Firstly, it's a new year. It's 2022. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Anywho, welcome to a new year. My name is Gillian and this is my channel. On this channel I do everything lifestyle, beauty and traveling when I can. Okay, I'm talking too much. I literally had 15 minutes to get my makeup done, so I was like, let me come do my makeup with you guys. Today's tongue twister. Today's video is mainly focused on some of my Essence products that I've been loving, that I bought with my own coins. Just saying, I bought with my own coins, but I've been loving, and I'm going to show you guys how I create a quick look when I'm crunch on time and I still want to look cute, and it is budget friendly. This year I am focusing on budget friendly beauty, budget friendly lifestyle and budget friendly travel. So this is the word for this year for this channel, budget friendly. And I do feel like I look cute, so this is also my color for the year. I look cute, it brings out my cheekbones, and I'm talking too much. Don't know why, because I've only had 1 cup of coffee. And then of course, to keep it chilled, I am drinking my Beauty Gen Collagen. Absolutely love it. If you've been following me on Instagram, you would know that this is my go-to collagen drink. It is the only collagen I use and I love. And then secondly, please don't forget to subscribe. I mean, it is 2022. Like, we need movement, we need change. I need 1K on my channel, period. I need 1K on my channel. This hair is doing the things that need to be done, but I'm here for a messy bun, so let's just fix this up. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's get going. So I'll be using the products that are not Essence. Of course, I'm not going to mention them, so you guys must just bear with me. Moisturize my lips because wow, child, my lips need to be kissed. Oh, child. I brushed up my brows, and today the first product we're using from Essence, this is the brow styling this is the brow styling soap set. Oh my goodness, guys, I picked this up just the other day and I've been loving it. It looks like this, like your transparent soap, and it has a little brush. You can see I've used it before, so don't judge me. So what I usually do is I first brush up my brows, and then I'm just gonna add some, there we go, and then I'm just gonna use some of my Instant Matte setting spray. This is also from Essence. Sorry, my time is up. Child. Okay, and then I just usually spray it, yeah, so like so. There we go. So I spray it so it's a bit wet for me, like a bit soapy, and then I go in with my brush, with my spoolie, make sure that I have enough soap, and then I actually use the mirror in here, and then I just brush. I just put this soap all over my brows, to be honest. You can see that I don't have thick brows, but that's also going to change in 2022 because my goal is to have thick brows, okay, but natural brows. So yeah, but I do like this soap brow because it kind of gives me like a nice brow finish. Guys, I forgot to close the window. Let me quickly close the window. Okay, the window is closed. Sorry about that, I forgot to close the window. That was my mistake, but it's also so hot and the fan is on too, so you guys please just bear with me. And you can see that I'm just applying it on my brows like so. And I just keep on repeating this step till I feel like I am good with it. There we go. It's so hot. I don't actually know why I'm wearing the wig. So yeah, there we go. I feel like I'm happy with that. Now just for the cleaning up around the corners. So just, there we go. Okay, I can deal with that. I can actually deal with that. Okay, I can deal with that. So same here. I'm just gonna make sure that it's, I don't know what it's together. Okay, because this is a quick 15-minute look, I am not going to spend too much time on my brows. I'm not even going to clean it up because it's already set using the brow styling soap set from Essence. Cool, I've already primed my face, and now on to the next thing. I'm just going to set my face. This heat has not been too good on my skin. You can see my skin has like these little odd pimples, little rashes, and also since the flow is around the corner, I can just feel it. I've laid on my body since the flow is around the corner. So yeah, so I'm just setting my face, even my eyes, because I'm not going to do like a lot, you know, there's like saving time. Okay, so that's done. What I like doing, especially if I'm in a rush, I always use setting spray to set. So I'm just gonna, not a lot. You don't want to overdo it. This is still, I'm still using the Essence Instant Matte Setting Spray. So you can see it's quite, it still gives me like a natural look, and I haven't done a lot. So it's a natural finish, and it doesn't blot, because there are setting sprays that blot, and I don't like them, because then you'll see like there's a mark there, and in 2022, we are not about the struggles, okay? We are not about the struggles. Okay, for my foundation, just a quick. So I'm just gonna show you guys okay, I'll actually do this more in depth, not in depth. Just like when I'm filming a tips tutorial on how I apply makeup for acne prone skin. So this I'm just quickly going to fast forward because the products are not Essence, okay? If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. Pretty basic, okay, just a pretty basic look. And then I absolutely love this natural glow bronzer. This is also from Essence, so I just usually around there. Okay, there we go. Not too much, just not, I don't like too much bronzer, you know, but especially because I am not getting it, like I'm running some errands, but I still want to look cute. You can see, like if you look closely, like you can see like the marks and things on my face. I'm literally trying to get rid of them, hence why I don't really use or wear like full coverage foundation, because I'm like, my face is not perfect, you know, my face is not perfect. I still have a long way to go. I've come a long way, but I still have a long way to go. So okay, on this side, that is it. So I just used the bronzer, and then I finished up my face, and going once again with my Instant Matte Setting Spray. Okay, while that is drying, we're doing mascara. Favorite song. Okay, for my mascara, I'm using, I think this is the Lash Princess, the one from, but the waterproof one. I think this is the waterproof one, the one from Essence. So yeah, so I just use that on my lashes because today I am not wearing false lashes, and I haven't worn false lashes in a hot minute. So there we go. And I also love the way that this brush curls. It curls absolutely amazing, and this mascara is under 100 rand, so I feel like it's affordable. I feel like it's affordable for what it does. So I also want longer lashes this year without having to get lash extensions. Your records on, play me your favorite song. Now I'm using the Extra Shine Gloss, also from Essence, because why not? See, guys, this is literally a 15 minutes look, so don't expect me to like contour, highlight, and what. This is just a quick, easy look using my favorite Essence brands. There are a few that I didn't use today, but that is because I am doing a quick 15-minute look. And then also, like, I feel like because this is acne prone skin, I like it this way, so it's not too clogging on my face. Okay, let me finish up my hair and then I'll be back. For watching this video, guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Till next time, and thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Gillian. Bye.